As the global focus shifts to South Asia and the Indian Ocean region, US Secretary of Defense has sought India's cooperation to jointly counter China. India declined, saying it does not share the US perceptions on the Asia-Pacific region. And yet, India's Defense Minister A.K. Antony, obliquely referring to China and the dispute around South China Sea, said large parts of the common seas cannot be declared exclusive to any one country or group, and that's therefore India's trump card in ensuring its control and dominance over the Indian Ocean and the Asia-Pacific region. Sudhir Ranjan Sen has filed this exclusive report from the Bay of Bengal.
INS Satpura, the latest stealth warship in the Indian Navy's stable, putting India in the league of 6 other countries. But how exactly does the stealth help?
It means that you detect him first. It's all about who picks up whom first. So this gives you the capability of staying undetected, operating closer to the enemy without him letting you know.
But this apart, the ship has several more features like never before. It has heavy and medium guns to take on close targets, still missiles that can destroy anything within 30 kilometers, Kloop surface-to-surface missiles to hit targets beyond the horizon, and Barak to destroy incoming missiles. Stealth and increased firepower are not all. What adds to the Navy's capability is the speed at which the ship can operate.
It's the ability to do speeds of this nature. This ship can do about 30 knots. But with about 6,300 tons over 100 meters in length, the kind of power it generates is about 600 CRV vehicles pulling an object ahead.
What it means is this ship can sneak in, hit hard and run away very fast. And that's possible due to the array of sensors that allows the INS Satpura to look deep into enemy territory.
I know what my sensors are giving me, but I also know what the sensors of some other ship in my vicinity are holding. So we are able to exchange information. So my domain awareness, my awareness of the maritime domain in my area of operations is far improved and far better than what it ever was before.
This brings about a sea change in the way the Indian Navy functions.
पहले हम शिपों में रहते थे, उसमें एसी तक नहीं था, पसीने आते रहते थे, फैन थे. पहले पानी जो है जहाज़ों में बड़ी मुश्किल से कभी हो गया, नहाने के लिए हो गया, मिलता नहीं था. आज 24 घंटे पानी है. एक है स्मार्ट वर्कर, एक हार्ड वर्कर. तो एक हार्ड वर्किंग जो करनी पड़ती थी, अब स्मार्ट वर्किंग करनी पड़ती है.
As China flexes its muscles in the Indian Ocean region, the Indian Navy is preparing too. 46 ships are to join the Indian Navy in the next 5 years. The Navy is to have 2 aircraft carrier battle groups by the year end. As we sail back, one thing was clear. While India may not have joined the US bandwagon to counter China, it's developing its own muscles and sea legs so that it can effectively police the Indian Ocean region. With camera person Vijay Singh Patwal on board INS Satpura, Sudhir Ranjan Sen for NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news in your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download it ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.